Introducing the Roidmi F8 Storm Cordless Vacuum, the world's first intelligent high-performance vacuum cleaner. With a variety of nozzles to adapt to any carpet or floor, the F8 uses powerful suction technology powered by a 100,000 RPM digital motor to get rid of all that excess dirt and dust cluttering up your home. Its design, you can now easily switch between multiple brush heads using the specially designed crevice tool and soft dusting brush. The F8 can deal with any couch, any situation, at any time. With 3 power modes, the F8 can clean up to 55 minutes and as much as 4,000 square feet without charging, with enough operating power to clean all around your home. Roidmi, the one-touch separated dust cup design, allows you to empty the dust easily and quickly, with no need to touch the dirt. We all like a relaxing home life, but life's full of surprises. With the help of the Roidmi F8, because your future cordless vacuum cleaner uses powerful suction technology to clean your home super efficiently, giving you and your family a happy, clean home. Thank you for your support.